Hey guys, so let's go further about my phase 2 with my Forex Fund. So a lot of stuff happened, and in my first video, phase 1, I said that I will do my best to pass the phase 2 with verification before 8 days, like I did in the phase 1. It was 8 days, and I wanted to challenge myself to pass the verification in less than 8 days. And what happened is that during the 7th day, I was in profit. I was in gold. I took a buy on gold and I was in profit, and my equity was around 10,500, like that. And since I was asleep, I couldn't close the trade. So it was very painful when I woke up and I saw that gold was in profit and dropped to hit my stop loss. So I could have finished my verification since like a week and a half ago, and yeah, but a lot of stuff happened, and it didn't happen once, it happened twice. The second one, I think it was on GJ, and I was also asleep, and yeah, but it is what it is, you know. But what I want to say that if maybe my Forex Fund is watching this video, or maybe any other prop firm is watching this video, is that you guys should create an automatic system that will close all the trades as soon as the profit target has been reached. You know what I mean? Because if there was this kind of system, I would have got my funded account since like a week ago. So yeah, it's very painful, you know, when you know that you did something but you were not awake to close the trade. It hurts, you know what I mean? It hurts. And not only once but twice. I was asleep and I was over the 5% profit and I couldn't close because I was sleeping. So that's what I have to say about my Forex Fund and the other profit watching. But a lot of stuff happened. After that, I've been in drawdown since the last week of September, because the last week of September was very difficult. Very difficult. I was down 2%, so I was like around 10,800, and I made like 4%, so I was like 10,400. No, yeah, almost 10,000, something like that, like 300, something like that. And what happened is that when the market opened the week later, I lost the profit I made like the last week. So I've been at break even, so I was in profit, go back at break even, profit, go back at break even. So my equity graphic goes like that. But right now, I think I am out of my losing streak, so I am almost 2% on the account, and I made 3% today. Let me show you guys. I made 3%. I made 3% today. Yeah, and I am almost at 2%, so 10,200, only $9 away to reach the 2% target. But yeah, it's not the target, but to reach the 2%. But so far so good. Today is Tuesday, and everything is great. You know, the market was different. I felt that the transition between September and October was really different, and so far so good. I like how the market looks for this month of October, and usually during October we have a good month. So I hope that this month is gonna be very good, because since 2019 that I started to trade, every October has been a good month for me, and October is the month of my birthday. I don't know if I'm lucky for that, but every October has been great, and I hope that this October too be great, because I need to finish this phase 2, because I'm kind of tired to trade, you know, the phase 2 account. I just want to have my funded account, because I know that I can have it, you know what I mean? So I'm only looking for good setup, so I'm gonna see maybe by the end of this month. If I pass, I will let you know, guys. But 20 days passed since I got my phase 2 account, and I've been trading for only 2 weeks, so for 14 days exactly, and I have 60 days to trade. So far I have like 40 days left. No, 40 days left because I have 20 days elapsed.